So many people have questions regarding how do I delete files from OneDrive but not my computer. So this video will give you fix for this problem, and if you found this video helpful then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. As you can see, I have multiple files and folders on my OneDrive. I want to delete this flower image from my OneDrive but not from my computer. So for that what we can do is click on the OneDrive icon which is in your taskbar, click on it and then click on open folder. It will open OneDrive folder in your computer. If you don't have this icon in your taskbar, then you can search OneDrive in your computer as well and then go to OneDrive from here. I want to delete this file from my OneDrive, so for that I'll select it and right click on it and then click on this icon which is cut icon. Once you tap on it, move your file or your image to any other location from your computer. I'll simply move it to my this drive. To paste it, press Ctrl V on your keyboard and there you go. I have successfully transferred my file from OneDrive to my another drive. And if I go back to my OneDrive folder, you can see the image has been moved from here. Now if you go back to OneDrive website, you can see the file has been deleted from my OneDrive website as well, and the file is currently in recycle bin. To completely remove it, select the file and then tap on delete and delete the file from your OneDrive completely, and there you go, you have successfully deleted the file from your OneDrive website while keeping it in your PC. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.